They're deeper than you thought?
Yeah, way deep.
Got enough? Yeah, it's the first time I ever been here, so I ain't dropping off in many of them.
First time too. You like that four-wheeler?
Best one I ever had. I've had a few Hondas and I would never go back to one of them.
That snorkel sealed tight?
Yeah, but it's only a CVT snorkel. It ain't an intake snorkel. Let me back on up. Oh heck, that thing's only two-wheel drive too, ain't it?
Yeah.
You got your brake on where it don't roll?
It ain't got brakes on.
Hold on.
All right.
Let me back on up, or you on some level ground there where it ain't gotta worry about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the intake comes up to right here on them, and the belts are kind of low on about all of them. Huh?
It's coming out or in?
It may be tangled.
Yeah, a little bit.
Bone sealed too?
Huh?
Bone sealed?
Yeah, thank God.
There it goes. They almost got too much of a cable on that thing.